Hello folks, welcome back to Rides with Richie. I hope you're safe and well today. My name is Richard D'Souza and I make content about motorcycles, motorcycle travel, accessories and maintenance. This is my Interceptor 650 and today we are going to change the mirrors on this bike to the TEC bike parts bar end mirrors. So in case if you want to do this modification on your motorcycle, stick around and stay tuned and I'll show you exactly how it is done on the Royal Enfield Interceptor 650 or on the Continental GT 650. So this is the box in which the mirrors came in. I will show you exactly what is inside the box on the desk there. So I have already opened the box. So these are the mirrors. This all assembly comes separate. So I have tried to take out some and I've kept it over here. So these are the bar ends. These are made in such a way that they can go on any motorcycle. So there are a lot of adapters which come along with it. So on the Royal Enfield Interceptor, you just need this. And you have these three kind of spacers. So we don't need the thin one, we don't need the thick one. The only spacer what we need is this medium sized one which goes on top of this. So I'll show you the bar end of how it looks on the motorcycle. So this is the bar end of the Royal Enfield Interceptor 650. All you need is a 5mm hex key to take this bar end off. And we have to take out these mirrors as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mount the camera on the tripod and I'll show you exactly how it's done. There we go. That's the first mirror off. That's the second mirror off. So now the next task is taking out the bar ends. I have taken out the bar end already on this side just to check it out. So this will be Loctited on, so be very careful when you're trying to open it. Yep, that's it. It's come loose and I'll show you what's inside there. So as you can see over here, this is not exactly flat on the inside of the bar end. There's an indentation which fits on the handlebars. I will take out the camera from the tripod and I'll show you exactly how it looks. So if you notice over here, there is an indentation over here as well. This bar end is made in such a way that it doesn't rotate once it is fixed. So that's the purpose of the indentation. So either you have to file this indentation out or you have to file the bar end indentation. So as you can see over here, this is the TEC bike part bar end. So what I've done is I have filed it. I will open the other bar end and I'll show you exactly how it is. So this is the bar end which is from the TEC bike parts. So this is how it came and I have filed it and I have made an indentation on it, as you can see, in an angle so that the bar end doesn't turn. All I used is this file to file it. This doesn't have to be very neat because you won't be able to see it once it is installed on the motorcycle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to file this in a minute, but however I will show you exactly how this goes on the bike. So I have the bar end over here with the medium sized spacer. I have the Loctite already on the screw, as you can see. I'm going to insert it into the bar end and I'm going to run it through the clamp which will hold the mirror in place. And then now we have to make sure that the bar end stays according to the indentation which we have made. So this is how it is. And I'm going to tighten the screw in. Yep. As you can see, the indentation is exactly matching indentation I had made. So let's go ahead and tighten this up now. So at a later stage, I'm going to apply Loctite on the screw as well and tighten it. I'll leave this alone for now. I will do the other bar end. So now I will show you exactly how I filed it. First of all, wear some protective gloves. If this file hits your hands, you're going to peel off the skin. You don't want that to happen. And second thing, make sure that you don't touch the file to all these nice areas outside because it will definitely scratch it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make a line over here slightly with the file so that I can run the file onto that. I'm holding the file in an angle and I'm going like this. And that's it. I have made the line, as you can see. I hope the camera is able to capture this. And then I'm going to work on that line and around that line. This looks very intimidating when you try to do it, but trust me guys, it is very easy, and if you do it right, you're not going to damage anything, and it's super easy. I'm going to make the line a little bit deeper and go all the way till the time I reach the middle line. So folks, as you can see, I have filed it down half the way. This is the indentation which I've made. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to file the top lip off. So it's pretty simple. This one is very easy. All you have to do is just work it like this, and then it should get filed off immediately. It's always better to do the bottom half and then do the other top half. Otherwise what happens is you end up not getting a fine line. So guys, as you can see over here, it's there. Now time to fit this on the bike as well. So this is how we make the indentation on the handlebar ends, and it is pretty simple. You just need a file, and that's it, and a good pair of gloves so that you don't scratch your hands. So guys, if you don't have an Allen key, don't worry. Tech Bike Part sends you an Allen key as well, which I just noticed in the box. I'll leave it on the side. I have my own now. So, and now the next part, what I'm going to do is I'm going to fit the mirrors over here. And the thing over here is we have to use some Loctite on this, because you don't want this to come loose and fall when you're riding. For this mirror, we have to use the smallest screw which came in the kit. Some Loctite in there, and let's fit it. Make it snug, but do not over tighten it so that you can strip the screw. So now the next thing is I'm going to tighten it at a later stage. What I'm going to do is I'm going to fit it on the other side as well. I'm going to leave you guys over here so that I can sit on the bike and show you how I'm going to adjust it. I think this is the perfect position for this. So I've taken out the screw, a bit Loctite in there. And then shove it back in. Make sure that the spacer is in place as well, because that's more important. Because when you're moving around the mirror, the spacer might be misplaced. You don't want that to happen. Okay, now I'm going to sit on the bike and check again, and then I'm going to give it a final tight. Yep, right there, and I'm going to tighten it. That's not going to go anywhere. It's tight. I'll do it on the other side as well, and then I'll show you how it looks on the bike. So there we go, folks. This is how it looks on the bike. I believe this looks really nice, and the bike handlebar looks very low profiled, and the visibility out of these mirrors are also great. There are basically two types of mirrors. One are E-marked and one are not E-marked. I don't know what is the actual difference. I ordered these silver mirrors just because of the reason that there are a lot of parts like the mudguard as well as the brackets which hold the headlights over here match the mirrors. Yeah, they look pretty good. And this is how it looks from a distance. I believe it looks really nice. Please let me know your opinions and thoughts in the comment section below. Just a small disclaimer over here, folks. This video is not sponsored by Tech Bike Parts. However, they gave me a small discount because I make reviews on their products. In case if you like this video, please do not forget to hit the like button and to hit the subscribe button and to press the bell notification icon so that you get posted when I make more videos like this. In case if you want to know anything about my Royal Enfield Interceptor and the products which I've used on the bike, please do mention it in the comment section below and I will get back to you as soon as possible, or I'll make a video in the future. Thank you very much and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.